Welcome to Session 10. Real situations often contain several sign changes, not just one operation. An organized method prevents sign errors. Today you will rewrite subtractions as additions, group positive and negative terms, compute separate subtotals, distinguish net change from total distance, and solve a multi-step score problem. Use a four-part process. First, rewrite every subtraction as addition of the opposite. Second, group positive terms and negative terms. Third, calculate each subtotal. Finally, combine the two subtotals using the different sign rule. In negative 12 plus 7 minus 5 plus 10, rewrite minus 5 as plus negative 5. The positives total 17, the negatives total negative 17, so the expression equals 0. Evaluate 15 minus 22 plus 9 minus 4. Step 1. Rewrite as 15 plus negative 22 plus 9 plus negative 4. Step 2. Group the positives. 15 plus 9 equals 24. Step 3. Group the negatives. Negative 22 plus negative 4 equals negative 26. Finally, combine 24 plus negative 26. The result is negative 2. A movement of 6 units left followed by 10 units right has two different summaries. For net change, combine negative 6 plus positive 10. Subtract magnitudes to get positive 4. For total distance, ignore direction and add the lengths traveled. 6 plus 10 equals 16. Net change describes the difference between start and finish. Total distance describes the entire path. Do not add every magnitude as positive when the question asks for net change. In negative 8 plus 13 minus 6, treating all magnitudes as positive would give 27, which ignores direction. Rewrite minus 6 as plus negative 6. The positive subtotal is 13. Negative subtotal is negative 14. Combine them to get negative 1. Direction matters for net change. A game score starts at 20 points. 3 rounds change the score by negative 8, positive 13, and negative 6. First, find the net change. Negative 8 plus 13 plus negative 6. Group negatives to get negative 14, then combine with positive 13 to get negative 1. Apply that change to the starting score. 20 plus negative 1 equals 19. The final score is 19 points. Let us recap. Rewrite subtraction, group by sign, compute subtotals, and combine. Read carefully to separate net change from total distance. For a quick check, negative 20 plus 6 minus 4 plus 15 becomes negative 20 plus 6 plus negative 4 plus 15. Positives total 21, negatives total negative 24, so the answer is negative 3. Keep practicing at bridge2exam.com. Visit www.bridgetoexam.com for the full lesson and instant feedback.